Let's be very clear. We cannot be cowed out because they launch missiles or something. We will remain civil. We will retaliate whenever we are attacked. There should be no doubt about that.
On the point of the Pakistani Defence Minister Khwaja Asif speaking to television networks and saying that these fighter jets were struck down and referencing social media, that is an interview that I saw as well. Just your response and statement to that.
First, we should always be civilized in our comments. So the kind of language, it's very nice. Even if we go to war with India, that doesn't stop me from being civilized. So my comments will be within civility. The jets shot down. I hope you have seen in the CNN now, there's this news item quoting a French intelligence person and clearly saying that more than one plane, Rafales, was shot down. More information is coming. I am no one to doubt CNN. It is a global name. It has published something. So there must be some merit to it. There are others, many others.
I'm quoting the defense minister who was pointing to social media, not actual
No, I am quoting you CNN and you can see it. Just one search.
He spoke to CNN, the defense minister.
Yeah, you can. What I'm quoting can be checked on CNN. This is a French intelligence. They are quoting. I'm not quoting anything. That their planes have been shot down. And we should be still, whatever we go to fight or not, we should be civil and we should have logic in whatever we are saying. Just by claiming that they are terrorists, I am this means nothing. Please, let me. Now you have.
I do want to. I know you're making a civility. I know you're making a civility.
This is not how it's my country at stake. It's not my persona that This is not acceptable. The kind of language that he was making. This is a reputation of your institution also. We should be, fine, we go to war. But that doesn't take us out of the civility. The anger you mentioned, or they mentioned, there's anger there. 37 of my civilians are dead and there's anger there. This is crazy. How
did you think India was going to respond to this attack?
Which attack?
This, the 22nd of April attack that took place in Kashmir.
You have to, for God's sake, you have to prove something. You can't be the judge. I respect you a lot. But whatever you say can't be taken on the face value.
It's not me saying it.
Symbol.
There is a history of Lashkar-e-Taiba. There is a history of Lashkar-e-Taiba, the military, the ISI backing these groups. So we can go back and forth on this.
We can.
But there is a reason that Pakistan was on a grey list for many years. And up until 2022, the State Department said that there were terrorist groups and organizations within.
Something was checked that this is okay, fine. The international community respect the law. They said that you are not on the grey list anymore. Accept it then. That's fine. Somebody must have checked. Somebody must have verified. There are institutions.
So every madrasa, every seminary,
I don't know. You should ask the FATF. Nah? If there's a question mark here, please ask the FATF. Then why did you take them? You have to respect something. You don't respect the UN. By you, I mean, them. That you don't respect the UN Security Council resolutions, which you accepted that you'll ask the people of Jammu and Kashmir whatever they want. They agreed to it. Now they have walked out of it. You don't accept the Indus Waters Treaty, the treaty that negotiated for 10 years and everything, and you say, we are walking out of it. A country which is like in a habit of not following international law is telling...
they would say the same about Pakistan.
No, but I'm quoting you.
I know you are so, and I know that you're a diplomat, and I know that Pakistan's civilian government has long tried to distance itself with the history of funding and backing terrorist proxy groups. But that is also part of Pakistan's history, which Bilawal Bhutto has admitted to me, which your defense minister has admitted to me.
Is sadly not just any terror group. It is the Jammu and Kashmir dispute, which is there for 78 years.
And that's why these terror groups exist within Pakistan, to target...
No, they were there or not there. The problem remains, you are not ready to ask the people of Jammu and Kashmir what they want. You want to impose upon them Indian terrorism like what they did with Pakistan yesterday night.
So terror groups go in and launch these types of attacks.
No, I never said that. Pakistan is not going to accept such kind of attacks. Let's be very clear. We cannot be cowed out because they launch missiles or something. We will remain civil. We will retaliate whenever we are attacked. There should be no doubt about that.
High Commissioner, we're grateful that you've joined us.
Thank you very much, Alma.